How to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can allow camera access to Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. In order to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger, it is very simple. Normally to do this, automatically you can try to just video call someone. When you try to video call, Messenger will ask you for a pop-up that asks you to enable the camera access. So during that time, you can tap on allow. But if you miss that, you can also do this manually. Now on an Android phone, we can simply open up settings, and from settings we can go to apps, and we can go to app management, and we can simply search for Messenger here. Now when we go to Messenger, we can simply go to permissions from the app info tab. Then we can go to camera and we can select allow while using the app. This way we can easily enable camera permission, not only camera but also microphone and other permission. On iPhone, you can open settings followed by privacy and security, and there you can look for a specific camera permission and make sure the Messenger app has that access. But on Android, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.